Ghanaian traditional games and their mathematical concepts. Games are activities that someone engages in for fun or amusement. Ghana is blessed with many traditional games such as HOPSCOTCH, Dame, Oware, Enshechiri, Pilolo, Ludo, and many more. Focusing on HOPSCOTCH for the purpose of our presentation, we then begin with the historical background of HOPSCOTCH. HOPSCOTCH, popularly known as sway or tomato in the Ghanaian setting, began in ancient Britain during the early Roman Empire. The original HOPSCOTCH courts were over 100 feet long and used for military training exercise. Roman foot soldiers ran the course in armor and field packs to improve their footwork as they ran the. Roman children are said to have taken their inspiration from the game played by the soldiers. They play a smaller version of the game and added a scoring system. Then the game became popular over all Europe and then spread throughout the world. In Ghana, the game has different names depending on the ethnic group. In Ghana, it is known as tomato. In Ewe, it is known as sway. Tomato means jump and let me jump. The game is played by school children and any person in Ghana. This game uses strategy acquisition of more rooms or boxes. The more boxes you have, the more power you have. Other participants have to jump over your house into theirs if you have occupied the boxes before them. Now, let's look at the rules for tomato. If the player throws the objects in the wrong square, he or she misses the chance and it will be another player's turn. If the player steps on the line, enter the wrong square, loses his or her balance, misses a score. If the player loses his or her chance on his or her next turn, he or she will have to repeat from the same number he or she stopped. Whoever manages to finish the sequence by throwing the object in all the square wins the game. The player has only 3 chances in capturing a house. Let us look at how the court is drawn. The traditional tomato court is drawn with a total number of 8, 9, or 10 boxes in a linear format, with the last court being a semicircle. In the pattern, square 1 is followed by square 2, square 3 in a parallel manner, after which comes square 4, followed by square 5 and 6, also drawn in parallel manner. This continues with square 7, 8, and 9. The 9th court is considered to be the home court and therefore represented with a semicircle. Come with me. Let's see how the game is played. Let us now look at the mathematical concept behind tomato. In geometry, tomato can be used to teach lines, shapes, and space. Examples are triangles, that's right-angled triangle and isosceles triangles, square, rectangle, semicircle, and lines of symmetry. It also helps in teaching the Pythagoras theorem and measurement. In algebra, tomato can be used to teach addition and subtraction of numbers, sequence, counting, etc. In statistics, tomato can be used to teach the concept of probability. Thank you.